Guys, what's up? Jamie from Shine Guys. I'm about to take out a run on this black paint. I'm using a razor, some sandpaper, 800 grit, sanding block, 2000, 3000 grit, and my trusty soap and water, Dawn soap. All right, cool. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna grab this razor and I'm gonna lay it flat and I'm gonna drag it. I'm just gonna drag it across. Just gonna drag it across. If you can see, I'm taking out this top, the high part of this run. There's actually a little run right here too. So it's so small, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna lightly sand over it just to see, so I can see that run a little bit better. So the trick is too, when you're sanding these runs, you wanna make sure you fold down these edges if you're dragging, because you don't wanna create more scratches, especially if it's not a flat area. So it's a little bit trickier. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go get my sanding block. These are really, really small. I'm gonna grab a sanding brick. I think that's what they call them, sanding brick. I'm gonna grab that real quick and hit that. Back sanding brick. I'm just gonna run it across. These work really good, especially when you have these hard to reach spots. They work really well. This is, I think this is, I don't know if it's Mirka. I don't know the brand. They have them everywhere. Just look them up, sanding. Pretty sure on Amazon. So just keep it flat, up and down, cross patterns. You can see how it's taking down the, so there is that little valley. That's what I'm knocking down. This little paint sag. This little sag is what we're sanding out. So all I'm gonna do is just put it up and down, knock that down slightly. Light pressure, you don't really need to go crazy. See, so now the more I sand, the more it's getting more flat. Pretty sure we got it gone. Okay, so now I'm gonna level out, I'm gonna take out all my scratches that I inflicted from using this brick. Use some soap and water. I'm gonna use 800 grit, and I'm just gonna go over it. Same thing, light. Stay away from all of the body lines. So I'm 800 first, and then I'll go up from there. There's a lot of clear coat on this. This is fresh paint. This was painted in the morning. So what time it is? It's 4 o'clock right now. So this is really, really fresh. Had really fast hardener in there, so we should be pretty good. Okay, so that's all I did. Now I'm gonna switch up. I ripped these into small pieces. A rid stick. I'm folding, you know, that's kind of the area I'm folding in. I like to not overlap, leave it slightly back, because I don't like those creating gouges in my paint. You could go switch to 1500. After that 800, you can go to 1000, 12 to 1500. But since this is fresh 2000, I can get that out. And then it's just gonna make my next step. I'm gonna eliminate in a few steps. Okay, so now I just did that whole piece with 2000. Now I'm gonna switch to 3000 Trizact, and I'm just gonna do the same step. If you can look at my sanding, pretty consistent across. You wanna make sure you keep those nice and consistent across the board. Okay, so all I'm doing is I'm not really texture removing, because there is some orange peel in here. All I'm removing is my run, not getting out anything crazy. Okay, so this step's done, 2000. There's still a little nib right there, so I'm gonna hit it with 2000 again. I'm gonna go grab my polisher, and I'm just gonna do a quick little hit on there, and we'll be done. Got my, what pad is this? I think this is a Rupes coarse wool, 3-inch. It's good for little tighter areas. M100.
For people that aren't comfortable using the razor blade on the paint, what are some other ways that you can suggest doing
Mirka, this is probably your best bet. These sanding liquids, but Mirka actually makes I guess it's like a metal sanding. It's kind of like a razor, but it's like I forget what it's called. It's just like it's a sanding razor, I would say, but it's really thick. It's really jagged. Works really well.
Also, when it comes to running clear coat, is this something that can be done at any time, or is the sooner the better after it's been
long.
cleared?
You want it long. You want to wait, as long as possible. If you're doing like show cars, you want to wait like 30 days. You want that paint as hard as possible
before you go and
before you start sanding.
Gotcha.
It's gonna make it a lot easier. Otherwise, it could swell, shrink back. It just creates a lot of problems. All right, guys, so that's the job. Thank you guys for watching. Jamie from Shine Guys. We're out here, we're working. Shine some paint. Like, subscribe, and follow. We're here. Woo!
Boom.